Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and I'm so happy to see you. And today I'm going to recommend you 5 products for angry and irritated skin. When your skin gets irritated, I know it gets very difficult to find something to soothe it down, to make it better, to fix the skin barrier. And if you have like sensitive skin, it becomes a task to find something that works for you without giving you the skin reaction in the first place. So don't you worry, I have your back. These things are super awesome and I have tried these things when I got skin reaction and these things worked really well for me. And this video is a collaboration with my favorite brand Bioderma, and I have been using their things for a long time. I have tried many of their products and their formulations are really good, and I have picked these 5 things for specially irritated, angry, sensitized, sensitive skin, or overall if you want to take care of your skin's barrier, then you may find these things to be super helpful. So yeah, let's start. First I have this Cicabio cream. I have been using this for a long time. I have used so many tubes of this one, and this is a savior for my skin. Whenever my skin gets irritated, I have like red bumps, white heads, it comes to rescue. It calms down my skin like anything, and it has like a little bit thick texture. So if you want something lighter than this, you can try the Cicabio Arnica. You might find that to be helpful, but I love this one more. So the Cicabio Arnica also is nice, but this one stands out for me. It is very good at repairing and soothing skin barrier. And how I use it, sometimes I use it after using a serum, or also sometimes I use it on the top of a moisturizer. You can use this as spot treatment or all over your face, whichever works better for you. When my skin gets like super irritated, I apply this all over my skin and I sleep. And I get up in the morning, my skin feels like way better, I'm telling you. Now I have this sensibio tonic. It is a very soothing, hydrating toner. It has panthenol, allantoin, glycerin, and if you have like really sensitive skin, your skin cannot take too many extracts and all, and you just want something hydrating, soothing, calming, this toner can be the thing for you. Very simple, no nonsense formula. And I have noticed when my skin gets like super irritated, I try to keep my skincare routine simple. I use a cleanser, then a toner like this one, then I use a moisturizer or cica cream like this Cicabio. So this routine works really well for me. You also can use this toner in your everyday routine. So next I have a moisturizer. This is Bioderma cream, and if you're looking for a no-nonsense, affordable, good moisturizer, then your search may end here. This moisturizer contains niacinamide, glycerin. It has this very good texture. It moisturizes my skin well. If you like thicker formulation, then you can try their Biome. It has ceramide, but I have noticed this works best for my skin irritation. And then I have a cleanser. So when your skin gets sensitized, it becomes super important to use a mild and gentle cleanser like this one. This is Bioderma Soothing Foaming Gel, and you can use this for your body, for your face. This is super affordable. It cleanses the skin without drying, and it has gentle surfactants. It also has copper sulfate to soothe the skin, and I really enjoy this cleanser, and it would work for all skin types. And the last thing I have a tinted sunscreen, because when my skin gets irritated, I try to avoid makeup, and tinted sunscreen comes to rescue because it can protect my skin against UV rays while giving me the coverage. And for that I'm going to recommend this one. This is Bioderma Photoderm Max tinted version. It gives good sun protection while the tinted formula evens out the skin tone, and I really like this one. They are like tinted sunscreens that gives this very unnatural, very white kind of a look sometimes, but this one gives very natural finish, and it has good sunscreen filters, and it gives this broad spectrum protection. It has SPF 50, and yeah, if you're looking for a tinted sunscreen, you might find this to be really helpful. Seriously, when I get skin irritation, I avoid any kind of makeup, especially foundation, compact, or anything. So this thing becomes a savior, because sometimes I really want this even out look and dewy, very like glowing kind of a look, and that coming from a sunscreen is a very good thing. You are protecting your skin while getting this very makeup like finish. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful and you love this as much as I do. So yeah, see you very soon. Bye bye.